In Revit, you can work in any orthographic 2D or 3D view. When working in 3D, there are some additional drawing aids that help you visualize the model as you work. I'm currently working in the default 3D view. When placing elements in 3D, you must be aware of the current active work plane. This will be much easier if you toggle the work plane on. To do this, on the Systems ribbon, in the Work Plane panel, click the Show Work Plane tool. When the work plane is enabled, it appears as a blue plane with a reference grid. When visible, you can select the work plane and then adjust the grid spacing using the spacing field in the options bar. You can also click the Work Plane Viewer tool to toggle on a work plane viewer. In this view, you can see the current work plane. Any items placed on that work plane appear using a normal line. Any objects not placed on the work plane appear halftone. Note that the work plane viewer does not create a view in the project browser. I'll close the work plane viewer. When you select an existing element, such as a pipe or duct, or use the Pipe tool to place a new pipe, notice that you can see temporary dimensions, just like when working in any other view. Although you don't have the ability to convert a temporary dimension into a permanent dimension when working in a 3D view, you can create dimensions when working in a 3D view. Also, object snap glyphs are visible when working in a 3D view, and their acquired references are shown as planes rather than lines, enhancing the visual feedback. You can use nearly all the same modeling tools and some of the annotation tools as in other views. There will be additional grips on model building elements available when working in a 3D view that are not available when working in a plan view, such as grips at the top and bottom of the wall. Additionally, sometimes you need to slope elements such as piping, ductwork, and conduit. You may find that modeling sloped elements in a 3D view is much easier than in a plan view. Revit provides many tools so that you can determine what works best for you.